morning, Year 1. Now today in science we're going to be learning about animals and their young. Now we should be able to, by the end of this lesson, we should be able to use the correct name for adult and baby animals, and we should be able to sort animals into sets depending on how the babies are born. For example, mammals have live births and reptiles and birds they lay eggs instead. Now, a baby owl is called an owlet. A baby lion is called a lion cub. A butterfly, what do you think a butterfly was before it became a butterfly? It was a caterpillar. Now, hopefully you would all know that because of the Very Hungry Caterpillar story. A baby cow is called a calf. There's a few more animals where the baby is called a calf. A baby dolphin is called a calf as well. And a baby elephant is called a calf. A hen is called a chick. That baby chick. A baby bird is also called a chick. A baby bee is called larvae. That's what they are before they turn into bees. A baby frog is a tadpole. A baby dog is a puppy. A baby crocodile is a hatchling. And a baby horse is a foal. And obviously a baby human is a baby. Okay, I hope you were concentrating then, because we're going to play a game now. Can you guess who I will grow up to be? Look at this picture. What do you think they will grow up to be? They'll grow up to be a tadpole and then a frog. So they start off as frog spawn, turn into a tadpole, and then they grow up to be a frog. What do you think this might be when it grows up? It's going to be a ladybird. And they are called larvae as well. Baby bees are called larvae, and so are baby ladybirds. I think lots of baby insects are called larvae. What do you think might hatch out of these eggs? Could be quite a few things. It's a duckling, and it grows into a duck. This baby caterpillar will turn into a butterfly. What do you think will come out of these eggs? A snake. Okay, for our activity today, we're not going to be doing any writing. We're going to be playing a pairing game for animals and their babies. Now, all you need to do is click on the link that I've put in Google Classroom, and once you've done that, you can sign up to your own Twinkle account, and then you can play this game. So once you've made your account, you can go on the link and let's go. So you can choose if you want it easy, medium or difficult. So start off with easy. So we're going to click one. It's a goat. So we're going to choose a different card to see if it matches, if it's the baby version of a goat. It was! It was a kid. So a baby goat is called a kid. Let's try another one. Oh, a kit. Now that looks like a baby otter, so we're looking for a grown-up otter. Oh, it's not that one. Let's try and find it. It's not that one either. Oh, but we matched one there. We matched a chick is the baby of a chicken. Let's try another one. A deer. Oh, I think I saw one before. This one said fawn. So a baby deer is called a fawn. So this one must be a grown-up. Oh, it was a weasel, not an otter. So baby weasel is called a kit. So you could play again, but in a harder version, okay? So I'll let you have a go at all of those different activities, the easy, medium and hard for today. Have fun!